Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you my product purchase premiere sneak peek for the 2023 January-April mini catalog and celebration. So let me set this aside and I'll show you what I got in my box. I'm going to start with the Suite of Fancy Flora. This collection has got not one but two stamp sets that coordinate and have dies that go with them, so they're available in bundles. You have this beautiful image stamp set that is two-step, and then you've got this lovely set with special fonts and printing that give you some wonderful sentiments. There are coordinating dies for these sets, and our sentiment set has this lovely labels die with some beautiful little details that can be added to the labels. And the two-tone Flora actually has two sets of dies, this gorgeous detailed background die, and then dies to cut out the different images on the stamp set. In addition to that, it's got this beautiful pack of paper, and this pack of paper has got these beautiful colors and textures that are double-sided. They have this impressionistic feel for your projects and are just simply beautiful. I think you're really going to love this pack of paper. And as you can see, it comes in a 6x6 and has 4 sheets of each color and is double-sided. So you have a choice in which one that you want to choose. It also comes with a beautiful pack of shimmer rhinestones. These are iridescent, and these gems are self-adhesive, of course, making them easy. A beautiful roll of pool party ribbon that just has a lovely feel to it, and I think it's going to tie beautifully. And as you can see, coordinates with the paper wonderfully. And last but not least is our shimmer paper. And if you've loved our shimmer papers in the past, you are going to love this pack. It comes in 3 colors and coordinates with this paper. Aren't those just rich and beautiful? Such a beautiful shimmer to them. So let me show you the next suite. Our next suite is By the Bay Suite Collection, and this collection is for any beach lover or water lover. You're going to love the images on this stamp set and the coordinating dies. This little clam actually opens and closes for a 3D effect. And when you're creating with this suite, you've got this beautiful two-tone ribbon and these lovely flat adhesive backed pearls. I hope you can see the shimmer on these. They look like little pearls that'll fit right inside this little shell for you. And of course, our designer series paper goes wonderfully with the ribbon, but has a beautiful iridescent metallic option to it also, and is just breathtaking. I hope you can see that look on those shells, how iridescent it is. And it's woven through this entire pack of 6x6 paper. And there's also this little iridescent texture to the paper, in addition to the gold foiling. Beautiful, easy to work with, and just going to make your projects pop. Can you see on the shells there how they're iridescent? Beautiful images, beautiful paper, and a lovely ribbon that'll tie easily and coordinate with your bundle. The next item I've got here is a sentiment stamp set called Kind and Secure. This stamp set has these big, beautiful sentiments that you can team up with these individual sentiments. We also have these alphabet a la mode dies, which are just so much fun. They are these delicate dies that you can spell all kinds of words, and they even include the number, making them perfect for customizing your projects. And of course, you'll want to pick up some multi-purpose adhesive sheets to make these really easy to use. when you're die cutting. Next is the Sweet Citrus bundle. Not only does this have a fun stamp set with really cute sentiments for all occasions, but it comes with a hybrid embossing folder and coordinating dies to make cutting the images out on your embossing folder quick and easy, along with the stamp set. This is really going to be a lot of fun to work with. And if you've ever used our hybrid embossing folders before, you know just how easy they are to use. And here's a great pack of paper that you can use with that kind and sincere stamp set. This specialty paper is called Like an Animal. It's got this beautiful foiling on the one side. You flip it over and it's got these wonderful neutral colors on it, making it really versatile to use on all kinds of projects. In addition to the designer series paper, I've got this beautiful decorative borders stamp set with these beautiful floral images. It's in photopolymer, making it really easy to line up. And of course, how about some hand-drawn dots for fun? This is a background stamp that adds a little bit of whimsy to your projects along with some texture. And now a little sneak peek of our Delicate Desert Sweet Collection. I've got this designer series paper here that just has these wonderful patterns and colors to them. Perfect for all kinds of projects. There's some geometric and some neutral textured looking colors that will make your projects quick and easy. And you're going to love this beautiful ombre look. And as a little pizzazz, there's this beautiful foil paper that you can also get. It's a dry brush metallic that will coordinate with the designer series paper, the bundle, and this beautiful pale papaya velvet ribbon trim. And now for our celebration sneak peek. I've got a few items here that I can share with you. The Beautifully Happy Celebration stamp set. This stamp set is two-step. It's got this beautiful font with all occasion sentiments, making it a great choice. We also have this gorgeous dainty flowers paper. This paper has some really cool elements to it, like these frames that you can use on your projects, and even a scenery that you can use with the 6x6 here that you can cut in half and use on your different projects. Isn't that beautiful? You can get at least 6 card fronts, making it quick and easy to simply add a sentiment to. We also have this 12x12 designer series paper that coordinates with one of our suites in the mini catalog, making it a perfect choice when you're getting your celebration item. This paper is called Day at the Farm and has these cute little animal images and a beautiful scenery piece that you can simply add a sentiment to. The Day at the Farm, like I said, is going to coordinate with one of our suites in the mini and makes a great addition for your celebration products. And if you love designer series paper like I do, you won't want to miss out on the Dandy Designs 12x12 paper stack. This paper stack has got a ton of designer series paper in these bright and cheerful spring colors and are perfect for making projects of all types. It's a big stack that has 48 sheets in it, so you'll be able to make tons of projects, and it's free during celebration. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek of my product purchase premiere pre-order from OnStage and the 2023 mini catalog and celebration brochure. And of course, if you don't already have a demonstrator and would like a catalog, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. And of course, if you're a customer who shops with me regularly, you're already on the mailing list and will be getting your catalog the middle of December. And of course, as always, if you'd like any products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.